Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul mio canale. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel with another video. In today's video we are going to see 100 Italian phrases with English translation. So let's start. The first is very simple, that is io means I. Tu means you. Lei, she. Lui, he. Noi, vi. Voi refer to you in plural form. Loro means they. Io sono. Now you already know io means I and the verb essere is conjugated as sono for the first person. So io sono. I am. Tu sei. You are. Lei è. She is. Lui è. He is. Noi siamo. We are. Voi siete. You are. Loro sono. They are. And verb essere is to be. Ciao means hi. Buongiorno, which means good morning. Buonasera means good evening. Salve is a formal way to say hi, and ciao is the informal way to say hi. Buona giornata. Have a nice day. Buona serata. Have a nice evening. Buona notte. Good night. Avere means to have. It is a verb which means to have. Più means more. Questo or questa means this. We use questo for masculine form and questa for feminine form. Io ho. This is the conjugation of verb avere. Io ho. Io means I. O means have. Io ho. Tu hai. You have. Lui ha. He has. Lei ha. She has. Noi abbiamo. We have. Voi avete. You have. Loro hanno. They have. Perché means why. Con means with. Con me. With me. Con te, with you. Con lui, with him. Con lei, with her. Con noi, with us. Caldo means hot. Parola means word. Alcuni means some. You have here two A. Like this A, significa means and. And this A means is. Come means as. Se, if. Bene means well or okay. Anche means also. Forse, maybe. Provare is a verb which means to try. Provare. Freddo means cold. Andare is also a verb which means to go. Casa means house. Casa means house. Fare is a verb which means to do or to make. Io faccio. Tu fai. Lei fa means she does. Noi facciamo. We do. Dopo means later. Alto means height or grande means big or huge. Entrambi means both. Luce means light. Anno means year. Questo anno, this year. Giorno, day. Tempo means time. Ora means hour. Notte means night. Buona notte, good night. Mondo, world. Sala means room or stanza means room. Strada means road. Casa means home. Paese means country. Uomo means man. Donna means woman.